Alright, name's Edward. I'm going to tell you how to share your internet connection through Google Tether, the Android, on a rooted Android device. If you have Google Tether installed, you probably want to make sure you're on ad hoc or do whatever you need to do to get internet on and working through your Google device. I'm pretty sure you got into that first step. Once that step's already been accomplished, once the computer has internet, let's see here. My computer is connected to Delicious. That's my phone. I'm on Samsung Galaxy S2. So it's connected. And what you want to do next, of course, is go to Networks and Control Panel, or your Start menu, Control Panel. Once you're in Networks, what I like doing too is just right-clicking on my 360, going to Media Streaming Options, make sure it's shared. Okay, that's good. Anyways, let's go and continue. Let's go to Network and Sharing Center. Now, you want to make sure that your network, the one that's Delicious, make sure it's set to Home. Just in case. You never know. Home is, just click on Home, alright? Let's see here. Where is it? Alright. So, I told you before I'm connected to Delicious. That's my network. Right click on Delicious, and I am. Oh wait, let me tell you my physical setup. Okay, the Xbox 360 is right there. That cord, you see this cord? That's, I believe, is a Cat 5. No, not a Cat 5, but it basically is a crossover cable. Now, it's a crossover cable, and I'm sharing my internet connection, my laptop's internet connection to the Xbox 360. Okay, I can share it through right-clicking in Network Connections. Right-click on my network, go to Properties. This is the wireless LAN card. I'm going to go to Sharing, and I'm going to share it. And then I'm going to click on the bottom one too. And then I press OK, whatever it's shared, right? And so right-click on it again, and then go to Sharing, and then go to Settings. Wait a second. When you share for the first time, you want to make sure that local area connection is the one that's being shared. The local area connection, the one with the wire in it. You want to make sure that one's shared. So, let's go this again. Let's go to Properties. Let's go to Sharing. Go to Settings. Now, as you can see, Microsoft itself already manually put these codes in. I happen to just manually put in some myself. 192.168.137.1. That is the physical IP address of this core that's into that LAN component. So I just put in 53 for good measure, and I put in 3074. Because this is what Xbox Live wants the ports open, so they want those ports to be open. And then port 88. And notice they're the same IP. I don't understand from this point. Seems like the Xbox itself, that LAN slot, is creating its other IP ranges here. But it seems to be working, I suppose. I'm not getting any error, so that's good. You want to make sure those two are clicked, check marked, and once that's all done, shared, you can go online too and go to Xbox. I forget. Let's see here. Xbox NAT warnings. Networking network address translation issue. So anyways, just go to support.xbox.live and it'll give you all this information on your NAT. Then it tells you to make sure that you have those ports open. 88, 3074, 53, and 80. So we already have those ports open. You're probably wondering, okay, well, Edward, how did you know to put in that IP? 168, 137.1. Well, I go to local area connection, the one that's being shared. Go to Properties, and I double click on TCP IPv4. and now I get that address. So I just share that. Share that on the wireless network connections. See? I just shared that, so make sure it works. Alright, once that's shared, then the phone connected to the laptop that has the internet, obviously. It should be working. Yeah, there it goes. This is now sharing to that crossover cable, sharing to the 360. Now I sign in to Xbox, connect to Xbox Live. Okay, I'm connected, everything works. Press start. Okay, we'll go to campaign, go to arcade, and notice my NAT type says open. Cool, there you go. There's no bridging, there's nothing like that, it just works. Alright, that's it, good luck.